Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting, a stationery haul from Temu. I will share everything I pick up, my first impressions, and whether these budget-friendly goodies are actually worth it. So let's dive right into the haul. First up, I found this insect theme metal pen clip. It has a vintage bee and cicada design, and honestly, it looks so unique. It's super sturdy, clips right onto a notebook or a journal, and adds that perfect vintage aesthetic while keeping your pen handy. Next, I grabbed this graffiti style clear silicone stamp. They've got script and symbol designs that are perfect for scrapbooking, card making, or any DIY project. I love how versatile they are for birthday cards or photo gift, and size is really generous too. Next is I also picked up this vintage postage clear stamp set. It has that fantasy inspired design, perfect for adding little postal touches for scrapbooks, journals, or any DIY cards. Such a cute way to give projects a retro vibe. So next is this vintage travel ticket stamp. It looks like just an old railway or movie ticket, which makes it perfect for retro-themed scrapbooks, journals, or any creative projects. This is such a fun little detail to add that classic vibe. So next is this vintage-inspired clear stamp with train and luggage designs, and they've got some nostalgic little phrases too, which makes them perfect for card making, album decorations, or any DIY craft that needs a touch of old world charm. And to keep everything organized, I grabbed this 20-piece sets of transparent plastic. This is envelope and storage bags. They come with soft magnetic sheets. It's perfect for holding cutting dies, protecting files, and they also work very well for storing clear stamps too. This is super handy for keeping all my craft supplies in one place. I also picked up this 3-in-1 die cutting and weeding tool kit, and honestly, it's such a game changer if you do a lot of paper crops, because it comes with a precision brush, a scraper, and a purser, plus a foam pad. So for example, whenever I make die cuts, I can use the brush to sweep away all those little excess paper bits. And then the purser comes in really handy for poking out the tiny pieces that always get stuck in the design. And then the scraper is great too for lifting or cleaning up. I love that it has an ergonomic handle, so it feels comfortable even if I'm working on a bunch of pieces at once. It just makes the whole process way easier and less messy. Definitely one of those tools that you don't realize how much you need until you have it. So let's go with the next item. I also grabbed this magnetic set. So it's a fridge sticker display board that doubles as magnetic storage panel. So I actually wanted to take off the magnets that were already on my fridge, so I purchased this frame magnet instead. And it even comes with a hanging magnetic suction cup, which makes it super easy to put up anywhere. So I love using it as a decorative yet practical chalkboard for jotting down reminders, to-do lists, or little notes for family members. So it's durable, versatile, and adds that fun, functional touch to any space, and it's perfect for keeping things organized while looking cute. And lastly, I pick up the HP RT Mini HD wireless portable photo printer. So I'm super excited about this one. It prints colorful, high-definition photos without needing any ink, which is so convenient. So it comes with 50 pieces of photo paper, so I can start printing right away. I love that it's compatible with multiple devices and I can print straight from my phone or tablet. The 3-inch prints are perfect for travel scrapbooks, journal, or little photo gifts, and being wireless and compact makes it really easy to take anywhere. So I can't wait to start printing my favorite travel and memory photos on the go. And I will be making another video soon to show you how exactly it works, so stay tuned. If you want to grab any of these items, I've added the links in the description box below. So that's it for today's Temu Stationery haul. I hope you enjoy seeing all the cute and handy items I pick up. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more craft and stationery content. I'll also be making another video soon to show you how some of these items work in action, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!